I hope all your birthday wishes and dreams come true. Happy birthday. Wish you a many happy returns of the day. May Allah bless you with health, wealth and prosperity in your life. Happy birthday. Hope you get everything that your heart desires. Happy birthday. May your day be filled with lot of love and happiness. Happy birthday. I hope all your birthday wishes and dreams come true. I hope your special day this year gives you everything your kind heart desires. May your special day be filled with many amazing surprises. Happy birthday. On your special day, I wish you abundance of joy, happiness and love. You truly deserve it. To the most beautiful soul on this earth, may Allah bless you with lots of love. Today is your special day. Have a great time and cheers to all the beautiful memories. May your smile on this day and forever never fade. Happy birthday. May your birthday bring dreams that are always deep enough to bless you, strong enough to guide you, and big enough to take you to the stars and beyond. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the happiness someone's as nice as you deserve. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, wishing you a beautiful day and many blessings for the year ahead. Happy birthday. Wishing you a fantastic day filled with joy and unforgettable moments. Sometimes the best moments in life are the simple ones. Wishing you a birthday filled with all the happy little things that make you smile. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. This day only comes once a year, so enjoy it. If you like to this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.